for me mamo akwaba ediba Xposed so onya bema limo elikem kwame amega ubetumi afra me Africans I ene matwehia wana asema enena mo no won se ensem no enena mo na ekoba nina no na nkofo edi wono atutum enipa a wo so me celebrities empanyifo de wono atutum enteye ena sameni ye na ye nimu se obe make comment what chese wono enya ade obe feature Sarkodie on his music bio. He will not have anything to do with Sarkodie but when it comes to music, though they can be friends, they can talk, but when it comes to music, Sarkodie hasn't been fair to him to anya do on bebonyom otumu say ade we buy no it created speculations on the social media platforms ankofo akeka sansemu bebre na ankofo bi ekebi achese Sarkodie enhwe ne husu ye ebi musu kas me send a verse the man Sarkodie me send a verse ne man no I got what I needed. I got what I wanted. It meant the mo patch. We and a Kuuku so on an interview on TV3 Ghana. Na TV3 ye interview no. Na ye bisa ne say and ye bia Sarkodie issues never do ya no. Of found say no say hwe. I mean ke bibi nchira mu. Sarkodie issue na abana mu ni na ye kan be gba ye twi na basa na enyoma no. Mu kan say Sarkodie when it comes to music no on the management na on the management na nam ho no kan hu say the manager any sa abrant any efe no Angel Town no Angel no sa abrant ye no sa abrant obolo no ono say wo send nyum na ekọ no nchen it so no oye favoritism na opa e no send wo nyum no e de ma Sarkodie you understand it odi nyoma no kwa ono e na wa blocking kofo bebre from getting access to Sarkodie sana na ye nua be ma Kuuku ye den e pa kire o se kai o se sa brantie no e na ye sa de no sa brantie no e na ha adwen sa brantie ni na disturb ye sorry na bibi e interrupt me kakra sa brantie ni e na blocking kofo being able to get access to Sarkodie and yes Sarkodie per se because when say Sarkodie on the prime okita no he will surely be busy and not have a new piano music and so Sarkodie one number no any yard down for bisa no e nipa e ye ni na na mo ultimate for your friend so no bia na o shada ben is but when it comes to business you go see a brand team friend Angel no so no Sarkodie manager no or no say the producer no no and we see sim kofon kwan ebusuan for my uncle tie nsema Kuuku pro music e kachre ye ni abema e wo interview.
So let's also move the conversation a bit and talk about talents working together. Well, Samini recently came out to express his frustration about the fact that it has been extremely difficult getting Sarkodie to work with. What has been your experience?
I mean, straightforward. Make I tell you something. It be Angel, they block people from reaching Sarkodie. Angel. For me myself, I've sent songs to them. Angel, they block them. That fat guy, Ubulu guy, you know, yeah.
How do you tell if
yeah, but for Samini, I have a song with Samini.
Well, tell us about that experience first. How were you able to decipher that this is the issue?
No, he be that Ubulu guy. Yeah, they do. The whole thing myself knows he be him.
Okay, so he's the one who
yeah. He be him.
What to do, what
yes.
To do.
No, you know, be him, they tell him what to do. But sometimes you send the song. I miss Sarkodie. I met Sarkodie at Accra International Conference Center after performance, and he was like, "Yo, hey Lion, uncle, hey Lion, hey, oh dear, we jatao." And I say, "Yo, I'm gonna send a song to him," and he said, "Oh, he's okay." But I normally do Bolo guy, he stopped the song from reaching Sarkodie. So sometimes I said, I don't think there's any artist in Ghana. Obisi Miaka says Samini has taken money from him for a feature based on what media.
Tell us about your experience with Samini.
Yeah, Samini, I have a song with him, Eyeball. When you ama, I sent him the rhythm. I said, Mighty. He said, Kojo, don't talk. The following day, my verse was ready. Wow. Yeah. So media, I'm not blaming Sarkodie or but I know he be Ubulu guy.
Ebusuafo we de yesika ku ye gene kokko enum utumu se ensem na Kuuku wo no so ne yawa okita no feel no when it comes to this argument ne enwomanyoma na air cost about Sarkodie issues na on feel say a Sarkodie particularly. It be a Sarkodie you will be a problem near the idea because we trying to customer now work as an watch say. I even a maybe Mushao baby, sending a Sarkodie who no approach say Charlie, would your only youth president to know now vibe need a young pole. Fair boys, you feel said there was a vibe into your honor catcher and say, Minya bear may, met my no I am most no problem, you can send it. But also say you can send it, it is not going to be personal. Because Sarkodie is now a production, and when you are dealing with it when it comes to business, you are dealing with a whole company, a whole institution or a whole music brand. It's idea be funny mukeke. You understand? Ebia Kuuku can say, oh, the next day no send any verse. The man no more say or the beat man Sarkodie say wait my rhyme on it. Ever seen the Omushi and of listen no then this guy is the one who has been stopping people in anyone's life. A true baby a sebi and no crack. Ubetume will be on social media platform or you're big and yeah, when you are going through them, maybe a nipa no need share personally, he might give you the attention that you need. But I was say a friend in the studio, in the office, no bene wokasa. So when you are not in line with that person, they can ignore you and you might think say sawo nipa na nkasa and ignore. So to say sadie we akoso and raskuku swatena say no angel no e yesuban ne ade a wotaye den eye it in some abeto on ebusuafo say no kre ne dia all kana meaning say Ghana for yenim speculation will also rise again. Okay, right now we think the issue is not even about Sarkodie, it is even Angel who also have been hindering certain people from getting access to Sarkodie. Ebusuafo aha and a demo ebesim so subscribe and share video so MIN aha Xposed on all social media platforms Xposed me within the F4 Kent. That's send your message here. Bye bye.